Yeah, man. As usual, I'm going to do a shorter one. As usual, I'm going to do a shorter one for my status. But I'm going to do one a while ago for the YouTube channel. Kind of a bit longer. I speak on all language better. But I'm going to do a shorter one for the status right now. You know, so happy independence to all Jamaicans. Globally, locally and globally. Especially especially Falmouthians them. Yeah, man. Not for the Falmouthians in back of yard, not for the independence celebration. Not for the Falmouthians in come back for the schedule union and all them stuff. I mean, I did this I want to fan. You know, see, at the Uriah Park, the Falmouth Uriah Park, the sporting event take place. You know, see, the sporting event take place all over. You know, see it, in a Trelawney, in a Falmouth. This is a Uriah Park, yeah. And a Uriah Park again. A Uriah forestry now, because a forestry town now, because there's grass there. Grass taller than me. On the park. This is, yeah man, this is, I have myself as the nowadays API. Yeah, the nowadays API. Derek Scott. Big up yourself API. Because I see last night, I see a schedule union, and I see you pass through familiar keyword thing last night. Last night, they suck tongue pass. You know, see that Derek Scott used to be the media people back in the 70s and in them days. This is Park with art, sport and activities. Today we're 62 independents, you know. And it's a going at about from them time there, you know. Even before that. You can see my brother used to go William in the 60s, tell me say a park. Nib used to have them sports. Because my brother used to play, very involved in sports same way, used to play cricket. My biggest brother by my father's side, Uriah Miller. And my next brother, Baba Miller, the two of them go nib. Two of them used to go nib. And the man tell me, say, yes sir, nib school used to play sports. Until them gone, until when time, Alex time we done download him land off his sports now. Nib started then sports center. I used to watch Nib Sports Center with John Center and Duffus and one girl named Marlene and Chris. Big up yourself, Christopher Stone, because I was big up. Because I come from a home. Audrey Steele was the fastest girl in Trelawney. You know, see? You should run for Nib. Yes, come watch all the three in a center. So I tell you, say, yes sir, our sporting activity start.
That's true.
In a Falmouth. Yes, as Kanka was homegrown. API. Mr. Derek Scott and all our Chris Earl. When you come from Falmouth, you walk over park, in all our Kanka supporters. What is the support Kanka was? You know, see it? This is our playground. This is our home ground. Look on grass taller than me. This is our playground, this is our home ground. You know, see it? This is a Bark school. This school, you hardly can't see the school again, you know, because the place on the forest right now. You can't see the school again. I just a Bark school, I just used to play with football. I just say I'm bumpy the whole way we get the football scholarship from. I just say me stay. Because when I left Gas States at 13 years old, at Bark school, I used to go. When Bumpy left Calabar at 13, 14, at Bark school, I used to go. Shabba the whole of the man, them jazz by the whole of the man, them, everybody used to go at Bark school. I look on Bark school playground. Look on Bark school playground. Yeah man. The playground of come here talk about conquerors people, you know, man. And Studs people, you know. You know, see? Yes. And no found when back in the days, conquerors and Studs, when were the up-tempo people, the people who were high up in the society. Where you find the village and Studs and the village and Edson and them seeing them more the people that have the lower class on the levels. Sent in a disgraceful condition, see me. The two conquerors homegrown and village homegrown in a disgraceful condition. We touch pan center all the while. But no, I'm talking on park all the while. But you know it's a sporting time, Olympics time now, man, all them sitting as everything as sports now. Independence, 62 years no independence, and look how and the place where sporting activities start at Trelawney. Trelawney, the capital, and Falmouth, the capital at Trelawney, in a seat. See my grass beside me head there, man. See your grass taller than me. You know see? Never yet say Usain Bolt come from Falmouth, you know. I say Usain Bolt come from Trelawney, and Falmouth the capital of Trelawney. And look on the condition, an historical playground. You know see it? And we are celebrate 62 independence. This is where this is the point where the world fastest man come from, and everybody they big up boat now because they are big up boat in such a sense because through America they push up Noah. So they start to defend Jamaica now with boat. And yes, this is a parish of boat coming from. And look on the condition where the little kids them. They now no playground. They now no playground for the pan down pan. But still Jamaica can dominate amongst Americans them. And you, at a grassroots levels them ready, we know say no one come to Noah and the American kids them can run up and down pan Chevron and all them sitting there. Children kids in the run pan no Chevron in such a sense. When they want to run pan Chevron used to go catching all in a seat. And then can't go catching all again because catching all truck for the past 6-7 years. You know, so they can't run pan them. Because I used to go see 8 primary infant kids, I run the mash up relays, mile relay, a catching all. Them things don't take place again. Mile relay, I keep on GC faster. That me I tell every try to show and say. You understand me? Me speak a lot, you know. People say me talk, me speak a lot, but me talk the facts. You know, see it? At 16 years now, Usain Bolt come on the scene. And for the 16 years now, children don't have an official running track for the kids them. Look on the park. Look on the park. Conquerors people, studs people, look on the park. Grass taller than me. Me the one already for something in the man. It longer. This one for my status, you know. But me the one longer one for the something in the man. Come and speak my mind in the better. Because people they listen to me in the man. And that's why I deal in the man. It's a shame and disgrace in general. It's a shame and disgrace. With the Olympics now, I play a sporting thing right now. And look how the man bash with Jamaican because we're not on certain levels. But look how the Jamaican kids them for there. Because me talk about Falmouth. With the biggest ship in the world come Falmouth. And look at the historical ground of Falmouth, sporting ground. And sport put the map, put Jamaica on the world map, sport and music. Because anyway in the world you go, they ask you where you come from Jamaica, what they say? Where the country of Usain Bolt and Bob Marley. And look what the youths them, look what the place stay, brother, look what the youths them. Come here youth Falmouth, the capital of Trelawney. Because me never yet say Usain Bolt come from Falmouth, you know. I say Usain Bolt come from Trelawney. Because I know share with Usain Bolt come from and all them sitting there. You know see it? This is me pop off the grass. See the yeah, pop off in my hand. So see the you still have see all the one taller than me. As a park stay now in general. API, big up all the Falmouthians them who me see a share with union. So for the Falmouthians when you come to Falmouth, don't need to visit, when you pass through center on the playground man, not for the village man, the man they are now and all the support village and back in the days and so forth. Pass through center and see what center stay. You know see it. To all center to all cow pasture. So our leaders them now do nothing at all. Nothing at all at the grassroots levels. That's why I find say no one in man in America can go on anywhere because Noah and the kids in America can run up and down on good grounds. At an infant level, at a baby level, we are Jamaican. We go Kingston and St. Andrew and St. Catherine have official truck and all them sitting the Jamaicans Western Jamaica, Central Jamaica, Eastern Jamaica, and I have them tick there. So I show the world the playground of a all-age school. Yeah, man. In the parish where Usain Bolt come from. And it's our 62 independence celebration. And this is where the historical, when we come on to history and sports. Because our leaders only give sport lip service, you know. And went and the athlete come and then just kiss them up and give them stipend and all them things. At a grassroots level, they don't know nothing in general. And it's a war, I'm in a war, you know, man. Just to come out of my camouflage thing right now. Can we close by saying now, you see all our young Jamaicans, sportsmen and women, we have to declare war against America when they come on to track and field. War against them right now because they say we don't touch them pour them again. Because you say not Bolt is not doing it anymore. I hope the youth are take it, you know. I hope Christian the whole of you know. Civil the whole of every man, you know. Tell her, I don't know where I want to tell her, I don't know what I'm searching Dennis. We take things serious, man, up on the levels. And I never declare war against America when I come on to sporting thing right now, especially Olympics and World Games. So all the young male and female athletes, them obviously what them deal with Jamaica right now. We have to push up Usain Bolt to make them know that Usain Bolt do enough. Every time you say this is going to be another Usain Bolt, I want to come up, look on all the beast right now. You want Blake. You might try, but you and Blake can't manage it. So on the young warriors when you get ability and talent, but God given you a God, talented people, you know. God them wonder how both want to fast, you know, because now God people, brother. The real world boss are the son of God. You know, see it? Them call him many names. People call him Jesus, them call him Jah, them call him all type of names, but him are the real world boss. And Jamaica country film, and who never go they go do nothing like what Bolt went do. Because they couldn't stop Bolt, you know. They have a friend up Bolt. The world athletics have a friend Bolt and use him as an imposter boy to make them money. Just so them have no one now as the imposter boy to make them money. That's why everything going in favor. But I call upon Kishan, the whole of Kishan. My mother father call him Mr. Thompson. Mr. Thompson, I tell him just keep healthy. And I hope civil can just get back on us and so. I mean, I want to sink the ark. I want to sink, I mean, I want to sink the ark. This is the last glorious World Games for the ark. Make it having time. But I know say coming next World Championship, I want to sink the ark. All of we Jamaican beauties now nothing they run pan. Because our leaders now do nothing for the youth at the grassroots level, they now do nothing at all. See prove that that's when I come Independence Day have a speech or so. Because I got beach now. I have my cookie porridge, I buy my cookie porridge all cold. So it's one of my status. And longer one upon the YouTube channel. Oh, I'm going to take it in. This is no propaganda. It's a shame and disgrace. The ground was sporting activity starting at Trelawney. Falmouth especially. It's a ground here. Our Luther Blessed to play football pan. Luther Blessed who play for Watford with John Barnes back in the days. Because I know my history and all them things. You know. This is a ground where Ben Johnson is a train pan. Because Ben Johnson was part of Conquerors. And Conquerors is a train over here. So. And we all know that Ben Johnson was a victim of the system back in the days. Because when Ben Johnson was pan top, I see American people and bring down Ben Johnson. Because Ben Johnson destroy them you know, see, them poster boy Carl Lewis. That's why America stay. We don't know America, you know, but that's why America stay. They want to be on top of everything. And then better about, I tell the man, say, you couldn't make camouflage thing right, you know, I don't joke thing, I take sports serious, you know. And I call upon one young Jamaican athletes, declare war upon America, brother. But they come on to sports, you know, track and field. Because I jokes, someone will rise to occasion and I joke out the thing, my brother. So Kishan, Mr. Thompson, I just want you to stay healthy. I just want you to stay healthy. Just stay healthy. Because you still the fastest man in the world. Because I know, because you see you do 9.77 with ease. With ease, you do 9.77 with ease at the Jamaican trial. And look how Niles have to, look how Noah have to perform. In if you run 9.79 and talk about him, Ali. Sure. As I said, this is one of the status, but I make it too long. So big up all Jamaicans globally. Happy independence. You know, see it. Happy independence. Big things to, you know, see it. To all the Falmouthians, they have big things about Falmouth school to come over. Yeah, them go do the later on. Probably go take some instant pictures later on. So one instant picture, we go take instant picture later on. I may go catch Shereen. She has performed tonight. We'll try to catch up on the video. You see him Shereen that a Bim niece. And Bim tell me say, he might close the show. I want to catch Bim tonight. Can I go catch Bim tonight? In a seat. Can I talk to Bim and I know in a seat. So Bim say I close the show tonight. According to Bim. So my main aim, I have to catch Shereen and when Shereen perform and catch Bim. Yeah man. Miss Mama Generation. Big up yourself, Io. Big up yourself, Jalov. Big up yourself, Pass Up. That's it. You had gone already. We can't call him name pan in a seat, panal in a seat, in the ear. We know what gone already. And big up all Falmouthians. Last time I did miss, you see it, the among Miss Tuggy generation, keyword, all of them Miss Tuggy right now. Then great people there. Miss Mama and Miss Tuggy. So sometimes I see all the streets in my Falmouth for name after them people there. Them people are great Jamaican people who do a lot for the Falmouth community. A full time now since when time them break off from the British or what they say. If you rename most of the streets them rename to the people them in them community. Like our Queen Street if you name Miss Tuggy. Miss Tuggy Street. I find Miss Tuggy right there and put Miss Tuggy Street. And Jardy Street if you name after Miss Mama. That I bring them and hear them and Butty Scott. You know see it. You know call for name. Big up Butty Scott. General. Jardy Street if you name after Miss Mama. Great lady. Loving lady. You know see it. Corner Street if you name after Miss Pearl. In a compound there. Yeah man, Miss Pearl. That's it. Yeah man, got them lady there. Nice lady, brother. I them thing them. I'm out. Some of the warriors them, young warriors them, Jamaica on the track and field to take it serious and declare war against America. You know see, I speak it on the 62 independence celebration. The 62 independence celebration. I look on the playground them at Jamaica for the youth them. I didn't say we independent for 62 years now. I look on the ground them. With all grass taller than me. Grass taller than me. And no joke thing. This is no fabricated thing. I said the grass stay taller than me. At the Uriah Park, the art sporting activity start back in the 60s and like before that. You see me I sweat. In the hot sun. I'm a camouflage. I'm out, you hear me? I'm going to from the beach now, or drink my Quaker porridge. I got a big bend there, a big bend park up, and a big bend there. No, big B. Come on, big bed park up. Big bed park up. You understand? Yeah. Let me do a chat for morning. The Quaker porridge cold and all. When I see it. Yeah man. Yeah. I plan PCM off. So I got a beach now. Bumpy them supposed to left. Bumpy by the time beach, Bumpy and D them supposed to left and Jake them supposed to left beach. But I go down now still. So yeah man, the word is love, here. The word is love. I tell her that. Okay. I'm out.